In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account and get started with Hostinger in just a few simple steps. Hostinger is a popular web hosting provider known for its user-friendly interface and reliable services, and it's perfect for anyone looking to establish an online presence. Whether you're setting up a personal blog or launching a business website, this guide will walk you through the initial setup phase. To begin, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and visit hostinger.com. Once you're there, you'll see the main homepage filled with enticing offers and clear navigation. Direct your attention to the button that says Sign Up or Get Started. It's usually highlighted to catch your eye. Click on that button and you'll be taken to the registration page. At this point, you'll need to enter the email address you wish to use for your account creation. Make sure it's an address you have regular access to, as it will be essential for communications from Hostinger and for account recovery in case you forget your password. Speaking of passwords, the next step is to create one that is both strong and secure. Mix uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure your password is robust. Remember, a strong password is crucial for keeping your account secure from potential cyber threats. Once you've filled in your email and created a password, the next stage is verification. Head over to your email inbox and you should find a verification email from Hostinger. This is an important step as it confirms that you are the owner of the email address and authorizes your account. If you don't see the email right away, check your spam or junk folder, as automated emails sometimes end up there. Click on the verification link provided in the email to activate your Hostinger account. Now that you have successfully verified your email and your account is active, it's time to log in and start exploring what Hostinger has to offer. With your email and the password you just created, sign in and take a look around. You'll be greeted by a well-organized dashboard that gives you access to a range of services and features. From hosting packages to website builders, domain names, and more, Hostinger provides a comprehensive suite of tools to cater to your online needs. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the interface. Explore different sections and see how you can manage and optimize your web hosting experience. Hostinger's platform is designed to be intuitive, but if you ever feel unsure, don't hesitate to use their support resources or reach out to their customer service for assistance. And there you have it. You're all set up and ready to make the most of what Hostinger offers. Whether you're already familiar with web hosting or just starting, taking these initial steps is crucial to building your online presence. Keep exploring and happy hosting!